Welcome back! Thank you for returning to our channel to learn more about making money online. In this video, I will show you how to make free PayPal money instantly online. We've got a lot of work ahead of us. We'll start with the first step right away. That is, simply go to Instagram.com or download the Instagram app on your smartphone device and sign up for free. You can do this even if you have no followers right now. It's something we've never discussed before but have tried out. It performs really well. It worked for tens of thousands of people all around the world. If you stick with me until the end of the lesson, I'll show you how to accomplish everything for yourself in under 5 minutes. So keep an eye out for that and pay close attention to each and every stage so you don't miss anything important. Now for the second step. All you have to do is look for other dog pages. So you may look for attractive dogs, dog lovers, puppies, amusing dogs, or anything else that has to do with dogs. Then you may go to 5 to 10 different pages to see what's new, all of which are about puppies, pets, and dogs in particular. As a result, you can get $18 from a website that will pay you on autopilot again and again, from a website that will deposit funds into your PayPal account almost instantly. So yes, you can use PayPal to get your money. And that's fantastic news, because I know how much you like PayPal. This is, according to their homepage, once again available internationally. But in any case, steps 1 and 2 are to sign up for Instagram and look for dog-related profiles. Before we move on to step 3, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed generating money online. Feel free to subscribe with notifications turned on if you haven't yet. Then, every time I come up with a new and innovative way to generate money online, I'll let you know. You might be one of the first to use it and, of course, profit the most. Number 3. You'll now need to go to a website called Yazing.com. You can be compensated for every purchase and influence you have online. So, this is a website where you may get cash back when you shop online. However, that is not how you will make money. You don't want to put any cash into this. As a result, you will be able to begin for no cost. You can do so by influencing sales on the internet. You can earn money by promoting various offers on our website. You will understand why we use this website. When you share any brand's deals or coupon pages with others and your influence results in a sale, Yazing gives you cash. Once again, this website will pay you very quickly. Yazing deposits money into your PayPal account as soon as they get payment from brands and stores, which can happen in as little as 12 hours. As a result, you won't have to wait weeks or months to get paid. You can get paid quickly and start earning money right away. Walmart, giftcards.com, hotels.com, Dell, eBags, Expedia, BarkBox, and so on are just a handful of prominent brands they deal with. So let me show you exactly how to use Yazing to make money every day. In fact, you can make over $100 on autopilot in less than 10 minutes. So let's go over to Yazing.com. Then right here, you'll select Join Now. You can then create a new account. You can do so by entering your valid email address in the box to establish a unique username, then creating a password and retyping the same password. Simply click Register Now or Join with Facebook, which is more quicker and faster because it only takes 1 click. Once you sign up for free, you'll have access to a variety of offers that you may advertise and profit from. This website allows you to market more than 3,000 different brands. If you promote this one, for example, you may earn up to $100. All you have to do now is grab a referral link for few of the offers. You will be compensated whenever someone takes action and signs up using your referral link. We choose Yazing.com because you will receive your referral link to promote immediately after clicking Promote to Earn. With that, you won't have to wait long to be accepted into the partnership program. You will not be required to complete any lengthy or complicated forms. Simply click on Promote to Earn and you'll be able to get your referral link and start earning money. There will be a monetary prize of up to $100 in this instance. As you can see, you can promote a variety of offerings such as Bluehost gift cards, Keeper, and so on. However, there is one specific deal that we'll be marketing that really works with the strategy that I'll show you in this video. It's called the BarkBox Affiliate Program. This one will reward you $18 cash for each recommendation you make. And I'm going to show you how to receive over 10 referrals on autopilot in less than 10 minutes, so you can make $180 again and again. So for step 4, simply go to BarkBox and click Promote to Earn. So here's where you can get your referral link. This is your unique referral link. If someone clicks on it, they will be able to sign up for BarkBox and you will earn $18 per referral. So have a look at that link. Step number 4 is to copy it. People subscribe to BarkBox since it is a premium service. They can have a box and toys for their dogs that are completely personalized. Now all we need to do is discover dog owners who will benefit from this. And of course, they'll have a cost to click on our link and sign up, allowing us to profit. As I previously stated, I will demonstrate how to create a passive income stream and how to do it. And with that, you can acquire those registrations on autopilot. Now, I'll teach you how to employ 2 different traffic sources. The first step in creating traffic source is to go to pexels.com. Pexels.com is a website where you can search through millions of stock images and movies. They're free to use because they are not protected by copyright. As a result, you'll need to go to this website, pexels.com, search for dogs or puppies in the search box, and you'll have access to thousands of other free copyright photographs as a result. As you can see, these are high-resolution photographs that you can use for free. So, for instance, if you want to use this one, all you have to do is click on it. Click Free Download and the image will be downloaded to your computer with complete permission to do whatever you wish with it. These photographs have no copyright issues at all. I'd like you to download as many of those photographs as possible. Download adorable puppies, intriguing dogs, and amusing pets. All you have to do now is download as many as you can. Because these dogs are so adorable and we adore them, this should be a great and enjoyable procedure. So this is not a problem for me. I've already downloaded 4 different photos as you can see. This is really enjoyable. Again, for this step, you just need to download 5 to 10 images from pexels.com. Simply return to Instagram.com and create an account as well as a page dedicated to dogs. So because the dog photographs you acquired from pexels.com are copyright free, you'll start sharing them. So there you go, you'll begin creating a page in the dog niche. So make an all-around dogs username, change your name to all-around dogs, and acquire a nice looking bio. Simply include a referral link that leads to barkbox.com in your bio. The purpose of your search at the start of this video was to open all of those pages and visit their followers. You can start sharing those photographs from pexels.com after you launch your all-around dog page. I've been urging you to start following people who are fans of those large puppy pages. That way, you'll be able to attract individuals who are interested in your account. You will draw visitors to your page who are interested in what you have to say. They'll be more inclined to follow you back if they're already following this page. Then, you can always promote your BarkBox referral link on your page and earn referral commissions over and over again. You can use this to start a legitimate and long-term online business because it will take you far less than 10 minutes every day to re-upload one photo from pexel.com and follow a number of individuals from other sites who are following dog profiles on your page. You will sure attract dog enthusiasts who are most likely dog owners. So there's a lot of promise, but it'll need some effort on your part. It's completely free, although it does not take some time, but it's well worth it. You may earn a lot of money from referrals just by having a page. You can use traffic source number 2 if you don't want to develop those pages yourself. Our source is called shoutcart.com. Shoutcart.com is a website where you may buy cheap shoutouts from well-known people. All you have to do now is click the register for free button. After that, you can start a whole new account. So right here, pick brand and then continue. Sign up for a free account and log into your account. Simply select Browse Influencers after logging into your new account to locate other pages to promote. So on the left-hand side, unselect Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok plus bio link, and leave only Instagram. Then it adds, you have all of these categories here on the left-hand side. I'd like you to unselect all, leaving only animals or dogs selected. So give me a minute to locate those. You have nature, food, and nourishment. Allow me to locate the animals. Let me see if there are any pets, especially dogs, or if there are only animals. Yes, we do have dogs here. As a result, we may also find dog sites on shoutcart.com. $10 to $15 are the average prices for those shoutouts. You can advertise on a page with 500,000 followers for about $10, and the page is entirely about dogs. So for only $10, you can advertise to 500,000 dog lovers. Out of 500,000 people, you just need 10 signups to make $180. Even if you only get 50 signups multiplied by $18 per referral, that's a significant amount of money and passive revenue. Because you won't have to perform any of the work, you are not required to create a page. You are not required to upload any photographs. You are not required to conduct any research. You can just click pay $10 and wait for your yazing.com referral profits. You might even come across pages that are less expensive, with fewer shoutouts but more followers. I strongly advise you to put at least a portion of your earnings into those shoutouts once you start making more money. With that, you can purchase from larger sites. Some of those pages have millions of followers, as you can see. As a result, you may reach millions of people at a very little cost. Those shoutouts can help you earn a lot of money through referrals. I'm referring to a comprehensive autopilot system. I mean, if you don't want to develop a page yourself and are willing to invest $10 to $15, this is the option for you. It is highly recommended that you use shoutcart.com to purchase inexpensive shoutouts from large pages and earn referral rewards on autopilot. However, if you don't want to spend any money and want to build serious and long-term business using yazing.com, you should absolutely create your own page. You can always market this manner. On our page, you can market for free every single day. It'll undoubtedly take more time and work, but it is completely free. So once again, you have the option of creating your own page and promoting the referral link on it. So you can either obtain those recommendations yourself and earn $18 for each, or you can use shoutcart.com to get them on autopilot. To make $180, you only need 10 recommendations out of hundreds of thousands of individuals. And setting this up will take you less than 10 minutes because all you have to do is go into your account, pay $10, and you're done. It takes less than a minute after that for everything to go into autopilot mode. I hope you learned a new method of making money online today from this video. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss out on any of our new videos. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you again in our future videos.